Greetings everyone, it's Cain here. Welcome to my video. Just giving you guys a little update. Just wanted to put content on my channel. It's currently a gloomy day here in Colorado. It's pretty cold, 30s. I'm about to get a workout in, work out some shoulders. Just thought I'd touch base with you guys, give you a little update. Now, got some exciting news. My house is paid off. I've been looking forward to this day, to this moment for a long time. It just feels so good knowing your vehicle's paid off. And I kind of look to my past. You know, I've always wanted to go to Florida, live where there's palm trees, live where there's a beach, live in warm weather, all in all. And in this exact moment in time, I could do that. Yeah, there's a lot of dangerous dynamics to it. And it takes some, everything, the human body goes through adaptations. We all evolve. And I could do that now. It's such a great feeling. I'm just stacking money now. All the money I make, I'm just stacking it. Just gonna live simple. Self-care. Work on self-care and enjoy my time being. Now, will I stay in Colorado? Honestly, my honest opinion, will probably be my last year here in Colorado. I don't want to go through another winter. I love the summer times here. You can't beat it here. It's so magical when it's nice and warm out. These mountains, the views. It's such a magical place. But these winters, I dislike. So I have that power now to go wherever I want. I could truly be a nomad. Well, go somewhere warm. I guess I am a nomad now. But, yeah, I still remember back in 2019, the reason why I got my pickup truck with my topper was to live in it. To move somewhere nice and warm and thrive. Living simple, living close to nature, and having enough money to... making enough money and having enough money to, be content. If something goes wrong with the vehicle, I could fix it without having to worry about calculating anything. If I'm hungry, I could eat a meal at a fancy restaurant without calculating. You know what I'm saying? I could do these fun things. And now I have that opportunity. Now, I was going to pay it off to, what was I going to tell you guys? I don't know. The only thing that's bothering me right now currently is this weather. I'm kind of a little down because of this weather. It's just not inspiring. That's all. But I'm very grateful. Probably get a good workout and, go about my day. I honestly, at this time in my life, I could save up for my house. I could do a lot of things. Deep down, living in the car still inspires me. And I'm going to probably keep doing it for a while. I did really want to make an income doing these videos. A sustainable income. A little extra, Right now, I'm just making like 80 to 100 bucks a month through YouTube. Wish it was a lot more, but very grateful still. I'm still going to be putting content for you guys. I've been getting a lot of comments lately, kind of arguing against my point of views, my philosophy. Comment away. I enjoy those comments. If they're really interesting, if I find them interesting, I would make a video about it. I like making videos about all kinds. That's kind of the hard thing now, is finding topics to talk about. Because I'm constantly just working on myself, self-care, eating healthy foods, and making my coin. You know, I don't work 3 days a week anymore like I used to, where I had a whole bunch of time and I could make videos about whatever. But give me some content, guys. Leave those comments. You know what to do. So yeah, I'm still eating my can of beans. I'm still being frugal. I'm always going to be frugal because it's what I believe in. I'm not going to just blow my money, you know, because I have my car paid off. I'm not going to just be stupid now. I'm still going to carry on. Very grateful for family members, especially my dad. So yeah, that's the news. Not much to talk about. Ain't much to say. Even though there's a lot to say, I like to keep it simple and just tell you what I feel is important. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to get this workout in. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment. Thank you all. Appreciate you all. Haven't said that in a while, but I do appreciate you all. This is like a little diary. This is like a little movie. You know, you're a part of my life. There's people that have been watching me from 2014. Like it mind boggles me. You know, for those of you who are still watching, to stick with me throughout my journey, through all my videos, because I talk about a lot of controversial topics that you might disagree on, and I understand, but you stick with me through the thick and thin, and that's awesome. You know, I'm very open-minded, and you guys all know this. I'm not closed-minded at all, at one bit. Kind of bothers me because my coworker, I got a new coworker. She, I'm with her like most of my shift now, and just very closed-minded, and wasting time. I'm not going to put too much detail, but just the amount of time wasted. Anyway, I give you guys too much personal information. But I have a good view right now. It'd be so much better if it was just full of life, green. So yeah, I'm gonna hit the gym today, and then I'm gonna probably go to Your Pie. It's a place where you can have a vegan pizza, eat a vegan pizza, and maybe catch a movie. Yeah, as you can see, I'm in no rush, guys. I'm taking it easy. And this is how I like to be. I hate to have a fixed schedule. I like to just relax and do as I please, when I please, when I want. And that's a good feeling. It truly is. Yeah, there's people that make $4,000 a month, a lot more than me. You know, there's people that make 6 figures, but they envy me because I could simply relax in my car, look at beautiful views, and just work on self-care, my health, eating great food. Yeah. You just got to pick your poison, whatever you do, guys. Everything you do, there's ups and downs. As for me, the only thing that I'm kind of a little worried about, it just happens some nights. I don't know why. I think it's the condensation in the car. I have my windows rolled down to like that much, but when I'm sleeping in my vehicle, sometimes out of nowhere, like Like I can't breathe. Like I kind of gasp for air. I have to like get out of my sleeping bag and go. Like it just happens like here in the here and there. It doesn't happen every time, every day. It usually happens in really cold days too, like when it's like 20 degrees at night, 10 degrees. If you guys are into the lifestyle, let me know what that could be. I think it's condensation. uh I don't know, but when I sit up too, it dissipates. That's about it. That's the only weird thing that I kind of, but like I said, no, just gotta pick your poison. My car is the only really nice car in this parking lot. Just a bunch of, I'm like kind of like in an isolated parking lot. All you see is like a van with reflectors. You can tell someone lives in that van. Truck with a camper on it that's all disheveled, decapitated looking cars. You know, I'm kind of like in a unique situation, and I don't know, I just feel like I'm doing something good, and I hope I could inspire you guys to live simple. That's all. All right, everyone. Thank you.